Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sailboat back here with the lovely Lola again. We tried to film this video earlier as we were doing our live stream, and we ran into a shitload of technical difficulty. A lot of stuff going wrong, so unfortunately we kind of know the contents of this mystery box.
Might not be a mystery right now, but it was about a half hour ago. This
box comes from Fire Kicks SD, a shop that's located in the downtown San Diego area. Local business, and right now during these crazy times, we gotta do all we can to support our local businesses. We traded them a pair of Yeezy Desert Sage in dead stock condition, and some Jordan 1 black gums in dead stock condition for all of the pairs that we're about to run through. First pair up here, some classic Reeboks, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Now these right here are a size 10.5. They are not on StockX. Lola guessed that shit during the live video, and she made me have a beverage.
These shoes will pretty much, I feel like, go with everything.
It's a Reebok shoe right here. Pretty solid shoe. I don't think it's gonna sell for too much. It's not like it has a ton of resale value.
Might not be a good reseller, but I feel like it's clutch to have in every collection.
Bingo. She hit the nail on the head. Our next pair up here, some Adidas.
Adidas.
These are the Adidas Hardies. Now these are in barely worn, if at all worn condition. There's a few scuffs on them, but it's still questionable as to whether or not those scuffs came from maybe a transportations type of issue. Pretty nice materials on it for sure.
Yeah, they kind of remind me of Converse.
It's a cool low top right here with some solid materials. Pretty basic, but yeah, a nice shoe overall. These ones right here.
Fan favorite.
This is one of Lola's favorites as she owns a pair herself. These were in a size 8.5.
So these are the NMDs, super lightweight. I guessed their total wrong price. I wear these to work all the time. Very comfy to stand in all day.
It's a gorgeous colorway. It really is. It's a shame that it tanked so hard after it originally came out.
This pair coming up. He said everyone should know what this pair is. I've never seen this pair until today.
This is very, very popular for a while. The Roshiro.
My first comment, I think, was these are very lightweight. Maybe it's the color I don't like. Maybe if it was a different color, I would like it more. They are super lightweight though, so if you're a runner, I can see you liking it. Maybe. I don't know what the support is on the inside.
These were a shoe that for a long time a lot of people were wearing. They've kind of gone out of style and they never really updated it appropriately, so it never gained too much traction beyond its original hype. Pair of Air Max Plus Ultra TNs. These are just a standard fare kind of black and white colorway.
Might be nice to wear on a safari because they remind me of a zebra.
Hot take, zebra shoes right here.
I'm not the biggest fan of these, but I've heard they're pretty comfy.
It's a pretty solid pair of shoes overall. Good pair of runners for sure, if you're looking for that cushioning and you like the airbag on it. Pretty lightly worn. And next up here is a pair of 6 Youth Air Max 90s. Air Max 90s happen to be one of my favorite all-time low top silhouettes, personally.
I don't know that I've ever tried one on. Have I?
Probably not.
I gotta say, I like this pair, even though they're for sure not my size.
Here we have some little children's Air Max 95. These are the unicorn 95s, as we like to call them in our neck of the woods.
Or the cupcake sprinkles, because look at those little details.
Cool ass details on the reel.
I feel like if you wore these bowling, they'd glow in the dark.
Pretty neat youth pair right here. Fucking A, that's where it's at. Size 2 youth. The last pair of Air Maxes here. Pair of Air Max 97s. These were the Rainforest Green Team Orange pair.
I called them the Green Fairy earlier because I made him drink a lot and he was becoming Green Fairy.
I don't really know what the reference to the Green Fairy is other than absinthe, but we did not have any absinthe tonight.
It's absinthe.
So next time we have absinthe, we'll let you guys know. We are checking these out. They are in good condition. Easy 7 out of 10, probably closer to 8 out of 10. The Rainforest Team Orange in a size 12.5. No box with these ones. I like the 97. I don't care what anybody says. We are now at our Jordans. Let's see what we got. Might as well take out the Jordan 1s first. Got a pair of Jordan 1 mids.
They match my outfit. I was really happy about that. They're
Lola.
beautiful. I like the colors. Blue. Fuck.
Lola loves the fact that these match her outfit right now. So that's a big factor in her decision. But also she just likes blue. Size 10, no box. Going in order of the Jordans right now, we got some Jordan 6 Gatorade. Lola was actually pretty solid with her guessing on these ones.
Actually was like, can I please see the tongue of those before I guess? I will say this. If they're going to be named Gatorade, they should have been named a better Gatorade flavor.
She's missing out on the fact that the green and the orange were the typical Gatorade colors as far as the bottle and the logo were concerned.
Oh, you're right. I'm really disappointed in myself. You're so right.
I know. Jordan 6 Gatorades right here. Gonna be fun to work on. Got a little bit of de-yellowing to do for the pods in both the front and the back for this pair right here. Jordan 7 Marvin the Martians.
I am an alien.
Lola's an alien.
Ready for abduction.
Size 9.5. Marvin the Martian. Jordan 7s. Easy 8 out of 10 condition. No box. Solid pair right here.
These colors on the bottom should be all throughout. They're so beautiful.
I have sold so many pairs of these for way more than market value. Overall in my sneaker experience, I probably sold a dozen pairs of these. These are probably 8 to 9 out of 10 conditioning. Next up, Jordan 9 Powder Blues. This was a toughie pair for Lola when we were guessing the cost.
I specifically said 9s I don't see often. So either they're not popular, A, or B, they're really rare. So the price, because the game is, I have to guess the price. So I was like, A, they're not popular, so the price is low. Or B, they're really rare, so the price is high.
Jordan 9, not a very popular model. Powder Blues right here. Price happened to be pretty high on these ones.
Really high.
The last pair of the box, Jordan 10s, Chicago's. That's all. That's all there is to it.
Not much else to say about those.
She got it right. She got it right real quick.
They're comfy. Might want to wear like tall socks the first time around.
So that's it right there. That's the end of the box. Crazy box.
Crazy box.
This was a very, very serious mystery box from Firekicks SD, Firekicks San Diego. We had such a pleasure opening this box. I hope that you guys are checking in on those live feeds because coming up soon, we're going to be releasing some hints to grab a free pair of sneakers. And that's going to be a giveaway once we get up to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in to tonight's broadcast. We had an awesome time going over these kicks in this mystery box from Firekicks San Diego. Thank you guys so much again for the opportunity. Really, really appreciate it. We be checking out. Take care.